Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going thrifting for furniture at the Habitat for Humanity ReStore Center. One of my favorite things to do. I'm always looking for furniture for my house or furniture that I can resell. So let's go see what they have. Because of the way this store is laid out, I always start in the furniture section, and I have found some amazing pieces here throughout the years. So let's take a closer look and see what we can find. I can already tell that there are going to be some gems in here. This section is really well stocked today. Even from a distance, I could tell that this piece was hiding something beautiful behind that oversized back cushion, and look at this. If I had the confidence to reupholster that seat cushion, I definitely would have purchased this, especially because it was only $30. This large leather trunk style coffee table caught my eye. It is really pretty and so big. It has some built-in storage, and it was only $85, and I believe blue tags were 25% off today, so an even better steal. I have mixed feelings about this dresser. I don't love the stain, and I don't love how shiny it is. I also don't love the hardware on it, but something about it did stop me, and the drawers are dovetailed in, so maybe it is a quality piece. This one, on the other hand, is absolutely beautiful. It is Thomasville and only $165. This piece was massive. It has 9 drawers. You could use it as a buffet or a bedroom dresser. You guys know I always stop when I see a matching set of nightstands. These were labeled Pottery Barn, and they're asking $200 for the pair. And again, I believe this blue tag was 25% off. Would you have purchased these? The carved detailing on the legs of this table were so pretty, but it was too short to be an end table and too small overall to be a coffee table, so I decided to pass on that. But I couldn't get over the detail of the base. I do always stop and take a look at their door hardware. I recently got my son 2 generic nightstands, and I would love to replace the handles to make them look a little bit more custom, but it would require 12 matching knobs, so I am on the hunt for ideally 12 matching black round knobs. So we'll see, but I might have to keep coming back and checking. I've been looking for a wooden coat rack for years, and this one is pretty, but there's something about the top that looks almost like a weapon. Look at what I'm talking about. I really enjoy looking through the art in the mirror section at this store because they always have a huge selection. This one was really pretty and was kind of that Ralph Lauren fisherman aesthetic. I also really liked the colors. The ceiling lights are something that I always stop to look through because I am hoping to eventually thrift a large chandelier for our entryway or a small pendant for over our kitchen sink. I'm wearing this huge puffer coat, so I look like a linebacker, but unfortunately there was nothing there worth buying. So I think I have just enough time to go to the other location up here in Vancouver. They just opened a brand new Habitat for Humanity ReStore, and I have yet to visit it. So let's go see if we have any better luck there. Like I mentioned, this is my first time here at this location, so I think I'm just going to go clockwise through the store and see what I come across. This set of 4 framed prints was so beautiful, but they were asking $25 a piece, which I guess $100 for 4 framed prints is a pretty good deal, but it's not a thrifty price in my opinion. But look how pretty they are. They each have little birds on them. I was surprised to turn around and see Christmas decor over here on my right side. They have a lot of really pretty vintage glass ornaments. Don't forget that you can always buy a single lampshade from the thrift store. I love seeing all the vintage pleated shades, and it's a really cheap and easy way to zhuzh up a generic lamp base you might already have at home. So far, I am really enjoying browsing this store. It feels really clean, and they have a great assortment of furniture and home decor. I was seeing a lot of really pretty blue vintage furniture pieces today, but blue is unfortunately not a color in my home decor palette right now. I really loved these skirted powder blue sofas, and they'd be so pretty if you took those protective sleeves off the armrests. Okay, what are these types of desks called? Are they secretary desks? I do believe this one does roll down. It's called a roll top desk on the tag, and I just love all the little compartments on it. Just so intricate and beautiful, and of course made of real wood. I used to work at a high-end furniture store and interior design firm, and we sold all of these brands, Bassett Furniture and Hooker Furniture, so I always get excited when I see the vintage pieces in the thrift store. I think I've seen everything there is to see here, and I have to get going to pick up my daughter, but I needed to run back to the Christmas section and grab a few boxes of these ornaments because they were pretty much $2 per box. I was feeling a bit rushed going through that store because I have to go pick up my daughter from school, and this one is pretty far away from my house, but I did end up getting a bunch, I think 5 boxes of red Christmas ornaments. They're a nice dark red color, which I've been wanting to lean a bit more traditional in my Christmas decor. So these I think are going to be the perfect addition to my Christmas decorations. Unfortunately, I did not find any furniture there worth purchasing either for myself or to resell, but I love that store. It's nice and big, and they had a ton of stuff in there, especially compared to the first location that I went to. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.